Addiction is powerful, but it does not define you. Recovery is possible, and every step counts. Today, let's explore 5 practical tips to help you overcome drug addiction and rebuild a healthier future. Number 1. Seek support. Addiction thrives in isolation, but recovery grows in connection. Reach out to a trusted friend, family member, or join a support group. Speaking your truth and finding accountability makes the journey lighter. Number 2. Remove triggers. Identify the people, places, or routines that fuel your cravings. Replace them with healthier habits like exercise, journaling, or creative outlets that strengthen your recovery path. Number 3. Manage stress. Stress often pushes people back into old patterns. Learn coping strategies like mindfulness, breathing exercises, or physical activity. Calming your mind gives you power over your impulses. Number 4. Prioritize health. A strong body supports a strong mind. Sleep well, eat nourishing meals, and stay hydrated. Physical recovery fuels emotional resilience and reduces the urge to relapse. Number 5. Get professional help. Addiction is not something you have to face alone. Doctors, therapists, and recovery programs provide tailored treatment, whether through therapy, medication, or structured support. Overcoming addiction is not about perfection. It's about persistence. Every small step is progress, and every day is a new chance to heal and grow. At SDKare, we understand the challenges of addiction and recovery. Our telehealth providers offer compassionate, confidential care designed to help you reclaim your life from the comfort of home. Recovery starts with a single choice. Don't wait. Reach out for the help you deserve. Visit SDKare.com today. SDKare. Simple, dedicated care. For your health, your healing, your hope,